Hello everybody, my name is Adric Brennan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first charting video, so bear with me. Hopefully I get better at this as we go along. We're going to look at gold today on the weekly chart, and we're going to discuss volume and reversal, how volume can be used in your trading to spot potential reversals. And we're looking at the gold here back in March of last year, where this volume spike resulted in a small body candle. Big volume, small body, lots of split opinion and decisions, lots of sellers coming in here from above 1500, lots of buyers coming in from below 1500. They're meeting in the middle here. When you get a bar like this, one of two things usually happens. Either you consolidate until the buyers disappear and you go lower, or the sellers exhaust and we bounce right back into a reversal. And in this case, as you can see, the very next week, gold broke above the previous bar. You could have gone long right in here. Good trade. Shot all the way back up from the 1580 breakout to 1747. And then we run into another bar, another big volume bar, bearish bar, lots of sellers in here above 1700, exiting the position. Again, two things are going to happen here. Big volume, small body bar. We're either going to consolidate in this region, resistance 1747, support 1670, and then go higher, or it's going to reverse and go lower. As you can see, what happened here? Knocked on the door of 1750 for the next couple weeks. Almost broke through there. Still too much volume here. The volume right here on this bar indicates there's still sellers there above that level. They're not ready to give up. So, gonna hang on there. Sell bar here, buy bar here. Then, right in here, middle towards the end of June, we start seeing the volume down here declining as it's pushing up through this level. So, we're getting a breakout right here. Consolidated at this level, ran out of sellers, volume's dropping, we're going higher. So we get a nice little run here, breaks out cleanly. You could have went long anywhere in here with this declining volume. End of June, big body, buy candle. Buyers are eager, running in, pushing this thing higher, no sellers. Next week, more volume. Bar not quite as big, still pretty good, running higher. Bar's shrinking here. August 3rd, week of August 3rd, it pushed all the way to 2075. Volume still high. We got a little wick here. There's some sellers. We got a resistance level right in here. Volume increasing, body shrinking, running into sellers here. We're going to reverse or consolidate and go higher. As you can see, the very next week, lots of sellers stepped in. We get a couple inside weeks here of indecision. The inability of some of these weeks all throughout August, unable to get back above 2,000. Very bearish indicator. You could have gone short in here. Really struggling to break out. For confirmation right there in September, broke lower. You could have entered in here. We're going lower. Lots of selling. We're in a new downtrend. But here we go here. End of February. Volume is increasing. Biggest sell volume, biggest any volume since last September. Right there on February 22nd. Next week goes a little lower. Big volume, smaller body. The buyers are starting to step in at this same exact range back here in April, May, early June, between 1750, 1670. The buyers are stepping in at this level. Very much worth a watch. And we get a bounce. Comes up here to the 1750 level for a couple weeks and then drops sharply. Let me go to the daily. I'm going to show you this on the daily now. Within 2 days, it lost all that momentum, but very bullish right here. Bouncing that second bottom off that 1680 level, right back 2 days, back to 1730. A couple of days later, pushes above 1730 into 1745, all the way to 1760. I believe this is very bullish. The bottom is in my opinion. I went long right in here as it was starting to bounce back. The volume, there's a little sell wick here late last week. I'm not concerned with it. I just think it's some profit taken from the bottom. I think we're going higher in the short term. I think 1780 to 1800 could run into some resistance again, but I'm expecting a move higher over these next couple weeks. If I'm wrong, I will lose money, but we'll see what happens. I'm expecting something like this on a move up. The long-term gold chart is bullish. This is going back several years. This is a little flag consolidation. I believe we're going higher. That's chart is ugly. I will get better at it. But that's it for gold. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.